Two-piece lazy tool set is the perfect addition to your kitchen. They are made of high-grade silicone and heat safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Simply rest the tool on the edge of the cookware so drips stay in the pan and off the counter.
This gadget holds almost any sized bowl or plate in the microwave, and the handles stay cool so you can easily take out your items. And this pack of mini cord bundlers keep your kitchen appliances more organized, and there's a slot for the outlet plug.
This is the best cupcake scooper. It scoops up the perfect amount of cake batter, and when you push the button forward, it scrapes all the batter out of the scoop. This helps to eliminate drips and keep your counters clean. Next are these cupcake dividers, which allow you to separate batter into sections so you can combine different cupcake flavors.
Deep clean with me. I had been putting off taping this runner down for so long, so I got to work cleaning and vacuuming underneath and then also spray mopping. While the floor was drying, I went ahead and restocked my dry food dispenser with the granola that I eat every morning. After I finished my breakfast, I pulled my sheets out of the dryer and went into the master bedroom to make the bed. The mattress is so heavy that I have to have this lifter. This is also really convenient to tuck in the sheets nice and tight. Okay, now back to the rug. This two-sided tape is really easy. One side's for the rug and one side is for the floor. I placed on all of the corners, and I also placed right in the middle of the rug to keep this runner right in place. Let's try it out, see if it sticks. Success. Automatic rolling egg tray. No need to take out the whole carton, just grab one. These cute ceramic panda chopstick rests need little to no explanation. I transferred my makeup remover into this pump and I've never looked back. I don't leave home without my handbag hanger, and this hook can hold up to 60 pounds. I do not regret buying these no-wire battery operated sconces. They slay. This bookend vase has been a beautiful addition to my home decor, and I love having fresh flowers in the kitchen. Is perfect for picking up Legos and other small toys around the house. All of the toys are safely collected in the bin. The large wheels make it easy to maneuver so you don't miss any. Pet hair, dust, and debris is actually separated into this filter so the toys stay clean for easy storage. My Lego storage trick is once the sets are built, just put them on an oil pan and hide them under the bed. This 3-cup bamboo utensil organizer is a great way to display your flatware. These caddies ensure easy reach during events. The flatware cups can sit together on the tray or be taken alone to the table when needed. These non-slip dish organizers are a great way to store your plates and bowls in an RV or in a small kitchen. This over-the-sink bamboo cutting board maximizes counter space. You can even run your sink while in place. This strong magnetic shelf keeps the spices organized in the cabinet and frees up counter space while cooking. It can hold up to 6 pounds. These finds make cooking in a small space so much easier. These Space Saver vacuum storage bags are a great way to store all of your winter comforters, blankets, and bedding. I use these storage bags with a clear window to store our blankets and our sheet sets. Check out the storage closet. I had cleaning my sinks on my spring cleaning to-do list. I like using this deep clean brush set to get all the little nooks and crannies around my kitchen sinks and faucets. I really like this polish wax on my faucet, so just grab a microfiber cloth and buff out. Spring cleaning is done for today. This garment steamer can be hung in your closet for easy reach. It heats up in 30 seconds and is a steamer and iron all in one. The steamer also comes with a brush attachment and heat glove, which works so well for getting pet hair off of linen curtains and smoothing out the wrinkles. The steamer has a 35-minute run time. Once it's empty, just refill with water and press in. Steam iron clothes flat on the bed, and never worry about water spots on fabrics because this steamer is leak-proof. And the steamer has an auto shut-off after 5 minutes when not in use.
This genius kitchen gadget is a 2-in-1 pancake mixer that makes prep and cleanup so much easier. It has an electric whisk inside for mixing so your pancakes are the perfect consistency, and a squeeze handle that evenly dispenses the perfect amount of pancake mix every time. This is such an
Amazon spring cleaning must-have. This pet hair remover will collect all the fur off of any soft surface in a matter of seconds and is completely reusable, leaving all of your surfaces hair-free. This non-stick pot lets you cook 2 dishes at one time, cutting down on meal prep time, and it works on any stovetop and is super easy to clean. Create more kitchen counter space with this bamboo work surface designed with a lift so it doesn't move. It comes with adjustable legs to go over your stove, and this also works as a trivet, serving station, and cutting board. And this turkey lifter holds up to a 30-pound turkey, makes it super easy to go from pan to cutting board, and it's super easy to rotate the turkey while carving.
This is a machine washable pet epilator that can be machine washed. It can effectively remove hair, toilet paper fragments, etc. attached to clothing. You just need to throw it in when you do laundry. Reusable and easy to clean. A must-have for pet families.
This gadget automatically stirs food in your pan, self-rotates, and has 3 speed options. This utensil rest is perfect for pots and pans, doubles as a steam releaser, and also works on the counter. And this gadget makes shredding meat easy and mess-free.
These multi-purpose tension rods were perfect for our RV trip. I was able to fit so much more in the refrigerator without everything falling out the second we opened the door. These also work great in closets to hang things from or to make shelves. Next up were these storage bins. I was able to put everyone's clothing into these bins throughout our trip. The mesh on the outside made it easy to identify what was in the bin, and there was even room on top for hats. This collapsible dish drying rack made it so easy for us to rinse our dishes and leave them out to dry. There was plenty of space for all of our dishes, and there is even a drain that goes directly into the sink. It stores so conveniently in small spaces.
Amazon favorites. If your kitchen has limited room for pots and pans, this non-stick granite pot and pan set might come in really handy. It comes with a handle that easily clips onto each cookware dish. This set is also oven safe, and the handle can be used in place of an oven mitt.
Must-have. These are hair catcher shower drain covers. Just put one over your shower drain and it will catch all of the hairs so your drain won't get clogged. These are super easy to remove and install.
This gadget can be used at home or on the go. It's a mini portable laundry machine that is foldable and cleans your clothes in less than 10 minutes. I'm always surprised with how well this works, as the water looks like this after every use. And it even has a spin cycle with a drying bin so your clothes don't come out sopping wet.
Life hacks. Want quick pasta without the hassle of boiling a pot on the stove? This rapid pasta gadget has a portion tool to measure your servings. Just toss in your spaghetti, add water to the line, and throw it in the microwave. In a few minutes, you have homemade portioned spaghetti, great for work, home, campers, or travel.
This mixing bowl set each comes with airtight lids that turns into Tupperware, and each lid has interchangeable discs that let you grate, zest, and slice food. These lids also act as splatter guards when mixing ingredients. These bowls are fingerprint proof, have non-slip bottoms, handles, pour spouts, and measurement marks, so prepping, storing, and serving food will be a breeze.
It's a hands-free automatic soap pump that dispenses as foam. No wall installation needed, just peel and stick. And it slides right off for refills, great for bathrooms, kitchens, and offices. This toilet scrubber that sticks to the wall is bendable, is dark so no visible stains, and has rubber non-stick bristles. 4, these slide-on shelf dividers that allow you to section, organize, and stack the clothing in your closet. 3, these renter-friendly stackable DIY shoe shelves to keep your sneakers intact. 2, these space-saving nesting bowls with airtight lids and removable shredder inserts. And number 1, this unfolding noodle bed wedge made to cover the gaps behind your bed so no lost items or sinking pillows, and has a pocket for your phone or glasses.
If you're sick of seeing hair on your shower walls, this gadget suctions to your shower wall and it catches all the hair in one place, and it's super easy to clean. The hundreds of soft silicone bristles allows it to double as a foot scrubber. Keep your towels organized with these rental-friendly over-the-shower door hooks that can hang up to 4 towels. And the double-sided design of these shower curtain hooks allows you to hang or remove your shower curtain and liner easily, and the rollers allow each hook to glide over your shower curtain rod.
Get ready to say see you never to messy toothpaste tubes and hello to these squeeze me self-closing caps. You simply throw out the original cap and replace with one of these. So easy to use, and the best part, mess-free every single time. Comes in a pack of 3 and great for both adults and kids. Like and follow for more Amazon finds.
Non-kitchen favorites. This multifunctional bowl serves as a food storage basket and a strainer. It has a removable hollow base and a slotted surface to keep produce fresh, so you can rinse fruits and vegetables directly in the bowl. The water drains down away from the foods and is easy to remove. Plus, it comes in several colors and looks aesthetically pleasing on a counter or tabletop.
Found these genius microwave shelves that are completely collapsible and allow you to microwave 2 bowls or plates at one time. They come in a pack of 2 and are really easy to store away in a drawer. I also found this oversized acrylic cutting board that's non-slip and has an 1.5-inch lip to fit over the edge of your countertops or your dining table without damaging the surface. It's also stunning for displaying as a charcuterie board or using it as a protectant layer over the top of your table while kids are eating or doing crafts.
This is the 2-in-1 car cup expander and food tray. The cup holder fits your larger bottles like the hydro flask, and the tray rotates 360 degrees and holds your food, has an extra drink holder, and a slot for your phone or tablet. Perfect for road trips.
This toothbrush easily folds in half and is super compact. The cap protects the toothbrush whenever you're not using it. It is perfect for when you're on the go.
Found this awesome roll-out fridge caddy that makes reaching the items in the back of the fridge a total breeze. It has 2 back wheels, and the best part is that it comes with 2 dividers that are adjustable depending on the size of the items that need to be stored. I have a counter depth fridge, so fitting things in can get quite tricky, but this caddy fit perfectly. I used it to neatly organize my son's snacks so that he can comfortably reach what he needs, and that way I can avoid any potential mess.
My coffee pods always end up loose and unorganized in our cupboard. These adhesive strips are easy to install and are compatible with any type of coffee pot. I love that they clear up space in my cupboards and can be stuck to any surface in my kitchen. They're great for sorting different types and flavors of pods and come with enough strips for 8 separate rows. They're even renter friendly as they're easy to remove.
If you're like me and have tons of hats taking up space, you need this hat organizer. Just pop it on your hanger and add your hats. Look how nice, neat, and organized they are. This also saves a ton of space.
Must have. I am always losing my keys and AirPods, and this cool cloud gadget solves that problem. Just stick the magnetic cloud to your wall, and then you can attach your keys, AirPods, or anything else so you never lose it again.
This mini trash can is the best. No more having trash all over your car. This mini trash can fits in your cup holder perfectly, holds all of your trash, and it is super easy to empty. I also love all of the bling on it.
Amazon Organization Find. If you have dead space in your closets, grab a set of these wire baskets to create more storage for smaller objects such as socks, hats, shoes, and toys. These baskets can be placed anywhere you need with no drilling or tools required. The set comes with adhesive wall mounts with hooks that can hold up to 20 pounds of weight each. These worked great in my toddler's closet, but you could also use them in your kitchen pantry, office, garage, or anywhere else throughout your home where you needed some extra storage. You can buy them in
Amazon Home Find. I bought this C-shaped end table for when I want to work on my laptop from the couch, but it's also a perfect side table too. It's nice and light so you can easily move it around.
This organizer keeps sunglasses and jewelry safe while traveling. It opens up to reveal a set of 5 slots that can hold a pair of glasses, rings, necklaces, and up to 18 pairs of earrings. It's easy to secure your earrings on the soft microfiber lining, and there's even a hidden compartment with a strap that can hold 4 pairs of hoops. The large capacity helps keep everything organized, plus there's even a mirror at the top. It also has a spot for storing bracelets and watches, and a hook to hang it up while in use. When you're done, it folds back up into a compact size for packing in bags or luggage. This trifold tray opens up and becomes a sink topper for your vanity. It's made of a non-skid material top and bottom and stays in place without damaging countertops. It can hold items you might not always have room for, and the textured surface keeps things in place until you need them. It has an opening that sits around the faucet so you can still use the water while the sink is covered, plus it's heat resistant so you can rest hair tools while they're hot. It's also easy to wipe down in case of spills or messes and can be cleaned simply with soap and water. When you're done using it, just fold it back up and store it under the sink or in a linen closet.
If you're asking if it was a necessary purchase, I don't really have an answer for you, buddy. But if you're asking if I think everybody on this planet just needs one of them, answer's a little obvious.